Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to unbox 5000 mAh lithium ion battery. Okay, so this is the battery which I have brought from online store, and you can see here it is mentioned 5000 mAh 3C 3.7 volt and 18.5 watt hours. Many people find hard to solder on a lithium ion battery due to its smooth surface. So today I am going to help you and show you how you can easily do the soldering on it. Okay, so to do so we need some uh, to make the surface of the lithium ion battery a little bit rough. Okay, for which I am going to use here a nail. Okay, you can use a polish paper also. Okay, and without damaging the battery, let's uh, scratch on the surface of the lithium ion battery. Okay, on both the end, uh, the positive as well as the negative terminal. Okay, and so this time it has taken few seconds to do the soldering, and it is very much strong, and now we can do on the another end, and later we are going to add the wires. Remember, while doing the solder, don't keep the soldering iron on lithium ion battery. It we the heat is going to damage the battery, or it may reduce the lifespan of the battery. Okay, so let's scratch the negative terminal of the battery and do the soldering. So it is soldered successfully on both the end. Okay, it is strong enough, and it is not going to break easily. Okay, and you can now charge your battery. This is the DIY power supply which I have created. uh, I'm going to soon upload the video of this how to make this DIY power supply. This is a variable power supply you can use for your various purpose. Thank you for watching the video, and please like and subscribe the channel. Please share this video with your friends, and don't forget to check other videos on my channel.